Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering various data types in SQL. Guys, I have uploaded complete DBMS subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Data types in SQL specify the type of data that can be stored in a table column. Guys, based on data type, we can decide what kind of data that can be stored in table column. For example, if we give data type int to particular column, then we can store integer values that are nothing but numbers. So, data types helps the databases to store, process and validate data efficiently. Data types in SQL are classified into four types. They are numeric data types, character or string data types, date and time data types, and also binary data types. This fourth one is optional. First I will explain what are numeric data types. Guys, numeric data types will store numbers. First numeric data type is int, that is integer, which will store number. This is range. And next one is small int. Small int data type will store small size integer values, and big int, which will store large integer values. And next number type is decimal, which will show decimal values. Guys, here p comma is represent precision and scale. For example, if we give value like decimal 5 comma 2, where here 5 is precision and 2 is scale. So here 5 means up to 5 characters we can store before point, and after point is scale, which is 2. We can store up to 2 values. So 999, there are only 3 values. I give maximum range 5.99, which is 2. So precision and scale will represent how many values that can be stored. And next number type is numeric data type, which is same as decimal. This is example. Here numeric, inside bracket I give precision, that is 6 comma scale 3. Before point 6 values are supported, and after point 3 values are supported. So 999.999. This is example. And float data type will store decimal values. Example 3.14, 51.8, 5.8, etc. And next one is double data type. Double data type will store larger size decimal values. Example 3.14159, etc. These are various numeric data types supported by SQL. I'll give one example. Guys, I will create employee table by applying all those data types. So create table, table name, that is employee, open bracket, employee ID. I'll give a data type as int, and experience, data type small int, comma, population, data type big int, comma, salary, decimal value, where precision is 10 and scale is 2, and percentage, numeric data type, precision 5 and scale 2, height, which is float data type, and CGPA, double data type, include comma for each, and it has close bracket and give semicolon. Whenever I write this code and click enter, employee table is created with all these columns. Now I want to insert values, so I'll write code. Insert into employee values. First employee ID, that is 101, and experience 5 years experience, and population, that is 150000, comma, salary 55,000.75, and percentage, that is 89.5, and height 5.8, and CGPA 8.75. Close bracket and give semicolon. Whenever I write this code and click enter, all these values are inserted. You can write this simple example for various numeric data types. And second data type is character or string data type. By using this data type, we can store letters, words or text. Character data type contains all these three data types. They are character type, varchar type, and text type. Yes, character type contains fixed length string, and whereas varchar type contains variable length string. For example, if I give data type like name and varchar 10, that is nothing but based on data, size will be changed. For example, if I write name Sai, Sai contains only 3 characters. So even though if I give 10 characters, data will be occupied only for 3 characters. For example, if I give data type like name, character data type of 10 is fixed length. Even though if I enter Sai, which is of 3 characters, still character data type will occupy fixed length, that is 10. Even though if we give small size characters, character data type will occupy fixed length. But whereas varchar data type will occupy data based on our text size. This is example, create table student name, which is varchar 50, that is nothing but I can enter name up to size maximum 50 characters, comma grade, character 1. So it has close bracket and give semicolon. I'll give name like Sai and grade A. And last one is date and time data type. You can use this data type in order to show dates and times. These are various data types. First one is date, next one is time, and next one is date time, and next one is timestamp, and next one is year. Where date will store only date, time will store only time, and date time will store both date and time. And whereas by using timestamp data type, date and time will automatically get updated, and by using year data type, we can store year. I will create employee table by applying all these data types. So create table employee. So column name I want to give as joining date, and data type that is date. Whenever I enter data type that is date, I can give values like year 2025 hyphen month that is 6 and date that is 21. In this format, I can give values whenever I give date data type. And next column name is login time. For login time, I'm giving data type that is time. So I can enter time in the form of hours, minutes and seconds that is 10, colon 30, colon 45. And last column name is last axis. For this, I'm giving data type that is date time. I can enter data like I can enter complete date like 2025-06-21 and also complete time that is 10, colon 30, colon 45. Like this, I can store values whenever I give all these data types.